Are you tired of working long hours and want to start a business that requires less effort? Are you a lazy person looking for ways to make money without putting in too much effort? If yes, then you're in luck. In this video, we'll discuss some of the best business ideas for lazy people. These ideas are perfect for those who want to work smarter, not harder. So, let's get started. Idea number 1, dropshipping. Dropshipping is a great business idea for lazy people who want to make money without having to manage inventory or deal with shipping. With dropshipping, you can sell products without actually holding any stock. You only need to set up an online store and find a supplier who can ship products directly to your customers. This way, you can focus on marketing and growing your business while the supplier takes care of everything else. Plus, you can work from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. Idea number 2, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you earn a commission by promoting other people's products or services. It's perfect for lazy people who don't want to create their own products, deal with customer service, or handle shipping. To get started with affiliate marketing, choose a niche you're interested in, find affiliate programs to join, and promote products through social media or a website. Idea number 4, online tutoring. Online tutoring involves teaching students via video conferencing platforms like Zoom or Skype. It's perfect for lazy people who want to set their own hours, work from home, and don't want to create lesson plans from scratch. To get started with online tutoring, decide on the subjects you want to tutor, create a profile on tutoring platforms like Chegg or TutorMe, and market your services through social media or word of mouth. Idea number 5, dropshipping. If you're a lazy person looking to start a business, dropshipping might be the perfect opportunity for you. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. One of the main benefits of dropshipping is that you don't have to deal with inventory, shipping, or handling returns. Plus, you can work from anywhere. This makes it an ideal business opportunity for those who don't want to be tied down to a physical location or have to deal with the hassles of shipping and handling products. To get started with dropshipping, you'll need to choose a profitable niche, find reliable suppliers, and use a platform like Shopify to set up your store. It may take some time to find the right products and suppliers, but once you do, you can sit back and let the orders come in without having to do much work. Those are our top 5 business ideas for lazy people. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, social media management, online tutoring, or dropshipping, these ideas will allow you to make money without putting in a ton of effort. Remember, being lazy doesn't have to mean you can't be successful in business. Just find the right opportunity that works for you and start earning.